Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle and today we're going to be checking out some hair transformations. First up we have this bob haircut change. The stylist is adding some bangs for this one. Wow, such a beautiful style idea. Love the texture that he's creating within the cutting. Absolutely stunning transformation. Now, if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles spotted within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you will, of course, stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Next up, we see this shaggy layered haircut. I love the bangs on this. And this, of course, is a very popular hair trend that we are seeing in 2023. Very chic and cute. Next up, we have a bob haircut. So she's going to be going much shorter with this one. Ooh, wow. She has so much volume. I love the tousled curls, the bangs. Very cute bob haircut. And then we move into this chic Pixie style. Very nice. I love the versatility. A lot of options when it comes to the styling. She can spike it up, wear it down. Very pretty. And then we move into another bob haircut. So it looks like she's pretty much getting a cut refresh for this. Gorgeous. She does have the curtain bangs with the style and the nice blunt bob cuts. Ooh, so we have a big chop transformation here. Wow. Very short pixie style. And this is more of like a pixie faded cut. Wow, she went really short for this one. Here we see someone with long waist-length hair. Looks like she wants to cut the hair about mid-length or so. Stylist mixes in some bangs, some layers. Very nice layered mid-length cuts, beautifully done. And then we see someone who has a shoulder-length hair. Oh, a shaggy pixie style. Oh, this is so cute. So not only does she get a pixie with this, but she also gets some color. Wow, and he did a nice short pixie with this. Cutting the hair even shorter, giving it a nice spiky texture. Beautifully done. So it looks like we might have a pixie bob for the next hairstyle. Oh, a bit of a pixie hair change. This is beautiful. I really like the color on her hair as well. Very nice. Here we have a bit of a shaggy bob style. Very nice shape and texture with the cutting. Followed by a color hair change. Oh, wow. Beautiful. Great pixie bob haircuts. This is such a stunning style. Very nice. So then we have someone here getting a color refresh on their blonde hair. Gorgeous bob haircuts as well. Very nice. And here we have someone with mid-back length blonde hair. Looks like she has some grown out color. And she got a nice little color refresh and cut the hair into a shoulder length bob. And then we see someone with mid-length brown hair. She's rocking the chocolate brown hair. Looks like she's getting some color done. Oh, wow. She went copper with the shaggy cut. Oh, this is absolutely gorgeous. Wow, she looks absolutely breathtaking. Very nice. Alright, you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all these hairstyle ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.